Hey everybody, welcome back to my channel. This is your girl Charms Lifestyle once more. Welcome back to my channel, guys. And remember, if you have not yet subscribed, please do so. Yes. And remember the business on Instagram. You can go follow me at Golden Charm Beauty Palace. Yes. Charms _ lifestyle. And my daughter's business plays at DJ's Fashion District. So guys, I'm on my way to the laundry. Yes. That's the worst part of living in France to me, going to the laundry. Yes. So, I'm going to the laundry and I'm going to take you there with me. So, look at my laundry bag, guys. This is my laundry bag. You see? Yes. So, we are on our way to the laundry at the moment. So guys, I'm now at the laundry. So, just giving you a short look at what the laundry looks like. Yeah? I'm inside the laundry now. So, I've never been to this laundry before, but because the one near me is closed for vacation, I'm here. So this one, number 3, is for €8, 14 kg. This one here is for €10, 20 kg. And this one here is also for €10. And this one is for €3. So I think I'm gonna use number 3, which is for €8. Over here we have the dryer. And the dryer is €1.50 for 14 minutes. Yes. And over here, this is the machine where you pay. But guess what, guys? I have a problem, because guess what? This machine uses card, and I do not have my card with me. Here is where you get soap if you want the soap to buy. So for that cup, I'm not sure how much you pay for that. So I'll have to read these signs to understand, because as I say, it's my first time here at this. And there, that's the snap machine. Oh. So guess what, guys? I'll have to go back home because I didn't know that I did not know that these machines use card. And I left my card at home, and also there's another problem. My card is not card contact. and this machine is. So I have a big problem, but I think I'm gonna go another place. I know another place, because guess what? I'm not going back inside with dirty clothes. So guys, we are on our way to the other machine. Now I'll have to take the tram. Yes guys, I am here at the other laundry. So these are the dryers, and these are the machines. These two, they are out of service. That's the sign right there. So these two are out of service. This one, I think this one, okay, this is a machine. This is a machine. If you have a €2 and you want to get €1, you put it inside there and it will change it and give you two €1 coin. So if you have a hard €2 coin and you need two €1, you put it here and you get it changed. This one, oh, this one is if you have the paper money and you want it to change to coins, you put it there and it gives you coins. I think I'm gonna do that one, show you, just to show you. This one now, I don't know, let me see. Oh, okay. So this is saying that money billets of €5 and €10. Okay, I think the understanding that I get from this one is it does not accept €5 and €10. It accepts paper money. The billets are the paper money. The money billets of €5 and €10 are not accepted. Okay, I think it accepts 5, 10. Oh, it does not accept I'm not sure, you know, but my thing, the money billet. Oh, it does not accept billets of €5, €10. I think what it's saying, it only accept like the big billets, the big paper money. It does not accept the €5 or the 10. Okay, that's the understanding I am getting from it. They are not okay, that's yeah. Only the okay. Only the monies, billets, san this 10, 5 and 20 euro are not accepted. That's the understanding I'm getting from it. If one of the French speakers them watch this, then can correct me in the comment section below. I am not a French speaker, people. I read with a little understanding. But yes, I think this is saying that it does not accept 5 euro, 10 euro, and 20 euro, but like 50 euros upward is accepted. So what it does, it changes it. If you want it to change, it will change it. So I'm choosing a machine now. This now is what you, if you don't have soap, you buy your own soap, or you get this container for 50 cents. Okay? And here is the bin. And these are the machines. How much is this one? And guys, I'm gonna say I'm gonna waste my time come here. I'm gonna waste my time and come here because I don't think I wanna use these machines to wash, because inside them, let me see this one, they are not clean. This one is clean, but I don't know if this will work good enough, because I don't want to go lock it and then see there? I don't want to go lock it and it can't come back. It not even look like it can lock. This one is not clean. See some little white, them something there. This is the same. That one is not working. Look at this. Me can't put my clothes them in there, so you're crazy. Look there. So I'm gonna wait. That one that is using, I'm gonna wait to see if the person will come back in time, and then if the person come back in time, I can use that one. So guys, I'm gonna try this now, because you see if this does not work, I have to go back home. So look at that. It now work. It now working up, people. I remember the one day, no collect them money here. Oh, so guys, I come right back to what I was saying. This machine don't use 5 euro, 10 euro, or 20 euro billets. So this one is the one that used those right there. 5, 10 and 20 euro billets. But guess what, people? You know work. It's not working at all. All them stress here. I can't manage them something I know. You know when me have to go to now, go to the road, go to change. Why? I can't go back home. Really? So guys, I tried to change my paper money in that one, but it's not working. So I have to go outside and look some coins. And yes, I did get them, but I have some 2 euros, and as I said before, the machines does not use 2 euros, so I'm gonna change the ones that I have to coins. So here, so I'm gonna put it here, and it's gonna come back here. Ta-da! So that's it for now, guys. So I'm gonna try over here now to see, is this closed? Because guys, I don't understand the machine, but I guess when I put the clothes inside, the money inside, the machine will automatically start by itself. So here I go. Yeah, so guys, there we go. But I did not put my soap in as yet because I have my old soap. So I'm gonna put it here. I'm not in my way though. I think I enough so. Put that there so. I have my soap now. I'm going to put that there so. So, I hit that people. You know. See? So yes guys, we are right there. There we are, washing away. So I'm gonna sit, relax, and wait. I'm now drying, guys. I've finished washing and I'm now drying. Guys, guess what? I am finished at the laundry and I'm now going home. So I'm going to get my tram. Guys, the tram stop is over there. Look at the time, guys. You know what time it is? It's some minutes to 9 o'clock. It's about 10 minutes to 9 or 15 minutes to 9. Look at the time. Yes, I'm in 9 p.m. So I'm gonna go across the road to get my tram. So guys, I've come to the end of my video. Yes, and thank you guys for watching, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel, and I'm gonna leave you guys now, so I'll see you in my next video. Ta-da!